Welcome once again in the last part of this cryptocurrency video series. In this video, I will be discussing about some altcoins that you should own before it is too late. In this video, I will be discussing about Theta coins, eGold, Polygon, Avalanche, Digibyte, Decentraland, Axie Infinity and Sandbox. Anyhow, if you have missed out the previous videos of this video series, then kindly click the I button appearing above this video. Let's start today's journey. Number 15. Theta coin. According to the projection, the global video streaming industry is likely to grow by 24% CAGR by 2025, and the global gaming market is expected to be $256.97 billion. The main problem with today's video streaming industry is that all the video streaming industries are highly centralized and may be run by a biased video streaming algorithm. Not only that, the traditional video streaming network consumes huge energy that perhaps could lighten up many large cities together and involves huge infrastructural cost with increasing video uploads. Let's take an example of YouTube, where every day thousands of videos get uploaded, but when we upload any video in the YouTube, it is converted into few second slices and stored in the various quality levels from 144 pixel to 1080 pixel, and these slice formatted videos are stored in various centralized content delivery networks. Basically, content delivery networks or CDNs are various YouTube's data centers across the various geographical locations, and when anyone puts a request to watch any video, then these nearest CDNs copy and put the sliced video together and send to the viewer. That sometimes causes the delay in the intermittent video streaming that creates the most irritating video buffering phenomenon during the video streaming. To solve this problem, more CDNs or content delivery networks are required, but that incur huge cost for any video streaming platform, and Theta network solves this problem, as through this video streaming platform all the users can get the opportunity to save their unused bandwidth. That makes the video streaming process even faster, smoother and cost effective. Not only that, it provides the rewards to its users for sharing their unused bandwidth in the form of Theta Fuel, that is its native coin. Theta Fuel is quite similar like the gas of the Ethereum blockchain. It works under proof of stake protocol, and at the time of creation of this Theta token, in total 1 billion Theta token were created, and no further Theta token could ever be created in future, but the Theta Fuel is inflammatory, and every year additionally 5% Theta Fuel tokens are created. Some of the video streaming platform of Theta network is Theta TV, South, Cinedigium and Samsung VR. The beauty of this project is more the participants or peer will be joining the network, more strong the network will be, as the bandwidth sharing process will get much stronger with increasing peers or participants, where in case of traditional or centralized CDN process, the cost of maintaining the network will be increasing drastically. Presently, the Theta token and the Theta Fuel are trading at around $4.10 or 328 INR and 20 cents or 16 INR respectively. Number 16, eGold. The next highly scalable crypto project to be owned is Elrond. This crypto project was launched in July 2020 to provide the decentralization, security and scalability for dApps and enterprises. This project uses high-level sharding technique and the secure proof of stake protocol to run the blockchain, and it can complete 15,000 transactions per second. That makes this network even faster than Visa and MasterCard, and it just costs 1 cent per transaction. That is heavily lower than any Ethereum or Bitcoin based transactions. Its native currency is called EGLD, or sometimes people call it eGold. Total 17.2 million eGold out of total 31.4 million eGolds are in active circulation. Elrond supports the creation of non-fungible tokens as well as storing many large size data like KYC of a person, digital wallet address, emails, private codes or identities, etc. very securely. It is basically a large project, and I will be making a separate video on this. If you want me to make this video, then kindly type yes in the comment box. Presently, Elrond is trading at $253.4 US and INR 20,494 level. Number 17, Polygon or Matic. It is basically a layer 2 solution of the smart contract giant Ethereum, and I'm personally feeling very proud to say that this crypto project has been developed by 3 Indians. Hats off you guys. This crypto ecosystem was developed to solve the lower transaction per second speed of Ethereum and higher transactional fees or gas fees of the Ethereum blockchain. Basically, you can say that Polygon is the second Ethereum with lower gas fees. The native coin of this blockchain is called Matic. Through this Polygon blockchain, you can complete any Ethereum based transaction out of the main Ethereum blockchain and can get high transactional speed or throughput just paying lower transaction fees in the form of Matic, that is equivalent to less than even 1 cent in Matic coin. In simple terms, you can get the entire flavor of Ethereum through this cheap Matic spoon. Currently, Matic is trading at US $2.21 and INR 177 level. Next crypto project to be discussed is Avalanche. It is a smart contract protocol like Ethereum that specially focused on the DeFi or the decentralized finance. Not only that, in this blockchain, any Ethereum based project can also be integrated, which will allow the users to seamlessly transfer any crypto assets from Ethereum to Avalanche and vice versa. That means it works like a bridge. This crypto project also works under the proof of stake protocol. Avalanche blockchain can complete 4,500 transactions per second, and the total supply of its native coin AVAX has been capped up to 720 million. This coin is not only used as rewards in the consensus mechanism, but also it is used in paying fees too. And the surprising fact is that in each time the transaction fees in the network is burned. That perhaps creates some sort of scarcity of the coin. The Avalanche blockchain is built upon 3 separate blockchains: Xchain, Pchain and Cchain. This crypto project basically is very large and it cannot be described shortly. I will be making a separate video on this topic too. Presently, Avalanche is trading at US $111 and INR 9,000 level. Number 19 is one of the less discussed crypto project, DigiByte. It is an innovative blockchain that can be used for digital assets, smart contracts, decentralized applications, and secure authentication. It was created on late 2013. DigiByte works under the proof of work protocol and follows 5-layered cryptographic algorithm and real-time difficulty adjustment to eradicate the crypto mining centralization and hash rate fluctuations. It is 40 times faster than Bitcoin and 10 times faster than the Litecoin and can complete up to 1066 transactions per second and can take 15 seconds to create a new block with extremely negligible transactional fees. I personally love this coin and it can create digi assets, DigiLocker and participate in many smart contract creation too. And additionally, the negligible transaction fees make this crypto a perfect choice for our day-to-day smaller or tiny transactions. Compared to 20 million Bitcoins, 21 billion DigiByte coins have been designed for mass adoption, and all 21 billion DigiBytes will be mined by 2035. And after 2035, the miners will then rely on the transaction fees alone. Presently, DigiByte is trading at around 0.03 cents and INR 2.83 level. Number 20, Metaverse coins. Metaverse itself is a large concept to be discussed and need a separate forum for discussion. If you want me to do any video on this topic, then also type yes in the comment box. Inside this video, I will be just providing some basic informations about some Metaverse coins. The world is moving around the new age of internet, or in one word, it is adapting Metaverse very fast. Nowadays, playing game is not just making fun, but earning money. Not only that, the virtual real estate concept is on the go. AR or augmented reality or VR or virtual reality are going to change the entire human society and going to uplift our life to the next level. 3 Metaverse crypto projects are moving very fast in this case. Those are Decentraland, Axie Infinity and Sandbox. Let's start with Decentraland. This Metaverse crypto project helps its users to buy the digital real estate or virtual lands that users later can develop according to their imaginations and create scenes, artwork, challenges, even can develop an entire digital village or city, as well as art and NFT museum too, and many more. And these creations can be exhibited and be sold to either community members or the buyers like video game creators or metaverse project making companies, or can be rented out for the rental income to metaverse event management companies too. Even if the users can buy these lands virtually in Decentraland, but its availability is limited. And like other crypto projects, its native coin Mana has a maximum supply capping of just over 2.19 billion and currently trading at INR 293 rupees and 3.72 US dollar. The next project is Axie Infinity. It is an online gaming platform inspired by cartoon character Pokemon and built on the Ethereum blockchain. In this ecosystem, player can build their land-based kingdom, pet or access, and can earn money or reward by participating and playing the Axie Infinity game. To participate in the Axie Infinity game, the axes need to be purchased from existing players. The price of this token is likely to be increased with growing popularity of the metaverse game. The maximum supply capping of this ERC20 token is 270 million. Currently, it is trading around INR 8489 rupees and USD 107 level. The next metaverse project is Sandbox. The Sandbox is a virtual world where players can build, own and monetize their gaming experiences using non-fungible tokens or NFTs. Players can create digital assets in the form of NFTs, upload them in the marketplace and integrate into games with Sandbox Game Maker. The Sandbox virtual world is made up of land. This is the digital pieces of real estate. In Sandbox Metaverse, the players can buy and on which they can build the virtual experiences. The maximum supply capping of this ERC20 token is 3 billion and Sandbox currently trading around INR 528 rupees and 6.69 US dollar. I will be making a separate video in this metaverse topic. Till then, stay safe, stay well, bye bye.